An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul Prayagraj for class 4, subject EVS 2 Science, topic solid, liquid and gas. Hello children, today in EVS 2 we will begin with a new chapter, solid, liquid and gas. So let us begin with our class. We are surrounded by a number of things. For example, stone, water in a glass, milk in a glass, air filled in balloons, and duster. All these things have mass and occupy space. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Matter is made up of tiny particles known as atoms. See, this is one atom, this is another atom. These atoms are usually joined together to form a molecules. See here, so many atoms are there. They are joined together to form a molecules. A molecule is the smallest part of a substance that has all the characteristics of that substance. Now let us study states of matter. Matter can exist in 3 physical states. These states are solid, liquid and gas. Solids are substances that have a fixed size and a fixed shape. The molecules in solids are packed very tightly. See here, all these molecules, they are packed very tightly and are held together by a strong force. Solids have fixed mass and volume. The size of a solid changes only on heating, on cooling, on breaking or cutting. Liquids are substances that do not have a fixed shape, but they have a fixed volume. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. See this liquid? It has taken the shape of the container. And see these molecules? They are not packed very tightly and can move around slightly. As a result, liquids can flow. Gas. They do not have a fixed shape and a fixed volume. The molecules of gases are spread out in an open space freely and occupy the entire space available to them. Gases cannot keep their shape unless kept in a sealed container. I hope children, you all have understood. Thank you.